Sun Lake's Laundry Room Remodeling. Do you dread laundry day? Our laundry room remodeling services are the solution to your energy-draining laundry days. A remodel with added storage, functionality, and style can make the laundry much easier. Work with a reliable company with 90+ 5-star reviews. Schedule a call today to discuss your remodeling needs. Get your new laundry room in Sun Lakes, Arizona. Step into a space that encapsulates functionality and style, allowing you to effortlessly tackle your laundry chores. Imagine entering your laundry room, a realm where cleanliness meets elegance. Every element has been meticulously designed to ensure maximum convenience, enabling you to navigate your laundry routine seamlessly. No detail has been overlooked, from the thoughtfully placed shelves that effortlessly accommodate your laundry essentials to the innovative storage solutions that keep everything in order. Say goodbye to mundane laundry days and get your transformed laundry sanctuary. Call us today, and let's bring all this laundry room remodeling and Sun Lake's imagination into reality. Expert Laundry Room Remodel Contractor in Sun Lakes, Arizona. As an expert laundry room remodel contractor, we understand the challenges and frustrations of finding the right professionals for your project. We are committed to making the process as seamless as possible for you. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we follow a design-build model that sets us apart. This means that we have the expertise to handle the construction aspect of your laundry room remodel and a dedicated design team to help you visualize and plan your ideal space. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. We will work closely with you to understand your needs, preferences, and budget constraints and transform your laundry room into a space that is functional, stylish, and tailored to your unique requirements. Contact us today, and let us take care of your laundry room remodel in Sun Lakes, Arizona. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the process as we bring your vision to life without any headaches or surprises. Areas we provide laundry room remodels, and more. We provide laundry room remodeling in Sun Lakes, Laveen, Ahwatukee, Tempe, Gilbert, Mesa, and Chandler. We also help homeowners with interior home remodels such as kitchens, bathrooms, entertainment walls, bedrooms, and more. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.